I see a motherfucking thing. Jesus Christ. Got this goddamn place a fucking disaster. Alright, got the fucking cases here. Now I'm gonna try to hurry, because it's got the fucking goop already on there. Oh, shit, it's everywhere. Alrighty. I'll hold these two bad bitches up there. Maybe. Oh, cocksucker. All right, here we go. Just like that. Give her a few love taps with the Mr. Mallet. Oh, Jesus Christ. See what I mean? Everything's up around here. Try to put this fucking spark plug in front of it. Of course, that's not going to be heavy enough, for fuck's sake. Some oil. No, we're just going to fucking jam her in here. Maybe. Perfect. Look at that. Put you right in the fucking cylinder. Alright. So after you get her somewhat together, get her a few groovy love taps. And she'll kind of just fall into place. Oh, I hope I didn't forget anything. That would suck.